Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Center. We have cloudy and rainy weather already going on and set to persist for much of your Thursday across the park of KwaZulu-Natal, over eastern Mpumalanga and the Limpopo province. We are also going to see thundershowers starting early across the eastern Highveld areas and spreading southwards into parts of the Eastern Cape and westwards into central and western South Africa. Heatwave conditions are set to continue this Thursday over the western areas of the northern and western Cape provinces. Now this Thursday you can expect mostly between a 20 and 40% chance of rain and thunder showers extending from the western areas into much of eastern South Africa. We have a warning in place for high fire danger for your Thursday over the western areas of the northern Cape and across much of the western Cape, so you will need to be very careful around any open fires wherever you see that shade of red. Isolated thundershowers are expected this Thursday for much of the northwest, Gauteng, the western areas of Limpopo and Mpumalanga. A high of 27 is forecast for Mahikeng, a bit cooler for Pretoria, even cooler as we go towards Polokwane and Bombela, both peaking at 21 degrees. Isolated thundershowers are also forecast across much of the Free State, extending down into parts of the Eastern Cape. It's going to be partly cloudy for Grahamstown and Bishop, warming to 27 degrees. Rainy weather for much of KwaZulu-Natal, including around Richards Bay and Durban, where highs around 24 degrees are expected this afternoon. It's going to be pretty breezy along the Eastern Cape coastal areas, winds reaching 50 kilometers per hour around Port Elizabeth. A sunny and very hot day is forecast across much of the Western Cape. We could see passing thundershowers in the afternoon around Beaufort West and Graafrenet. It's going to be partly cloudy for parts of the south coast, where fresh to strong winds are expected for your Thursday. And we're expecting swell heights of the south coast to average around 3.5 meters, with the swell coming from the easterly direction. We are expecting thundershowers this afternoon and in the evening across much of the northern Cape, where it's going to be pretty hot in most areas. Upington warming to around 39 degrees. Cape Town is also going to be sizzling hot, hitting the 39-degree mark this afternoon, even hotter as we go towards Langaban. Here's looking ahead to your Friday. We are going to stay with thundershowers over parts of the northern Cape, extending into much of eastern South Africa, mostly sunny and hot for the southern areas.